Hello, parents and families. I'm going to take a couple minutes just to kind of explain to you and show you how your kids and you can access all of the online resources that your kids will need to do their digital learning from here on out. So what you're going to need to do to start is you're going to have to get to ClassLink. And the easiest way to get to ClassLink is either you download the ClassLink app on an iPad or a tablet, or if you have a laptop or a computer of some kind, you can just visit the Lamar CISD homepage, and it's lcisd.org. And then at the very top, you would click on this button here that says ClassLink. And so when you click on ClassLink, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. All of these apps that you see here are totally free to you, and your kids should have login information for all of these. Or if they're logged into their ClassLink, it will automatically save that password. And so this is some of the apps that your child has access to at home. BrainPop Junior is a great one. So if your teacher's referring to BrainPop Junior, this is what they're talking about. Epic has some great reading resources. There's Imagine Math. Think Central is where their textbooks are located. So this is kind of a great resource for you to have. But for today, I'm going to show you Canvas. And Canvas is going to be where we house all of your kids' lesson plans for the week. So you're going to go to Canvas. And you might be prompted to log in, or it might have this making magic happen. So that's exciting if that comes up. So when you get onto Canvas, your Canvas might look something like this. So you have art, you have grade 3, or whatever grade your child is in. You have library, language arts, math, music, all kinds of stuff. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to really have to help your kid get organized here, because they're going to have work in every subject. Now, not so much in art and music, but they are going to have assignments due in language arts, in math, in reading, science, and social studies. And so you're going to have to help your child get organized and stay on top of all of their schoolwork that they're going to have due. And so for now, I'm going to open up math. So what you're doing here is you're going into the math course. And so when you open this up, you'll see some recent announcements that have come up. You'll see whoever your teacher is, her little blurb talking about herself, and then our schedule, which doesn't really pertain to us anymore. The most important thing when you open the course page is this modules button. This is going to be housing all of your kids' assignments for the week. So you don't need to worry about any of these others. You're just going to go directly to the modules. Now, the way we have laid out math, science, and social studies is we have the module labeled for whatever the date is that week, and then we have it by day. So you'll see on Wednesday, March 25th, so this Wednesday, these are the 3 activities your child is responsible for in math for Wednesday. And so you'll just have to kind of help them kind of go through and navigate this site. So the first thing they're going to do is they're going to practice their skip counting by 2s by watching the YouTube video. So if you click on that, it's going to take you directly to that YouTube link. And so your child can watch the YouTube links, count along to the skip counting by 2s, and then maybe you want to have them try to repeat it back to you without the music or something like that. So when you're done with this, you could just click the X because you don't need this anymore. And so this is the skip counting by 2s page. So what you can do now is you can just click the next button to go to that second activity for Wednesday. And this is the make a number activity. And so here are the directions for the make a number activity. And then after you read that, it says your child's going to need to post 2 numbers in the box below. This is what I'm talking about here, this reply. So you're going to click here in the reply box, and it's going to open this section up, and your child can type here. So your child would type their answer here. And after they're done, they would just click post reply. Then from there, of course, they're going to go to the 3rd page for the day by clicking next, and it says Imagine Math or iReady Math. So you're going to wrap up your lesson by spending 20 minutes on Imagine Math. If your child's an iReady person, they're going to work on iReady instead, and they can get on Imagine Math on ClassLink by going here and clicking Imagine Math.